How you doing, guys?
And welcome to another episode.
In this episode, finally I'm gonna do the test on the Meguiar's headlight restoration kit. I found the perfect candidate. This is a Mercedes-Benz, and I already tried on these lights. So now today I'm gonna try on those lights, and process is very simple. Just follow the instructions. I'm gonna start doing the restoration, and I'm gonna go step by step and showing you how. Obviously preparation is key. Make sure that you put a plastic bag or put tape around so you don't get overspray on the paint, and that should do it. Okay guys, so the first step is gonna be cleaning the headlights really well. I already cleaned them before with all-purpose cleaner and a microfiber towel. After you clean them, you're just gonna grab the pad with the compound. It is gonna be this one, and you're just gonna start going back and forth, side to side. If the headlight is really damaged, you can go and get the other product from Meguiar's. That one has the little pad with the attachment for the drill. That one is gonna be for severe headlights. In this case, these ones, they're not really bad. I'm just gonna use this probably a couple times to keep them clear like these ones. You can see there how good they look. So I'm gonna use it a couple times with the compound and clean them with a microfiber towel, and at the end of 2 passes probably I'm just gonna spray the clear coat. So really easy to do. Instructions are really simple. First clean them, then use the pad with the cleaning solution, and then the clear coat. Make sure that you put on the pad, and then you can start working on your headlights. Obviously the best way to do it is to remove the headlights. That's gonna be the best way because you're gonna go inside all the way around on the headlights, but this is a Mercedes, so I don't want to mess with this. It's gonna be really complicated to remove the bumper and get to the headlights, and we're gonna try to avoid that. We're just gonna clean the surface outside. I'm not gonna be able to do it the inside, but I think with this process this way, it's gonna be really easy. And like I said, I might go 2 times just to make sure that the headlight gets really clean and clear. That's what we're looking for. And you don't have to put pressure like crazy. Light pressure on it, side to side, up and down, until you feel like you finished with it. Clean it, and if you think you need it, go the second time. If you can see, first step is done. I'm gonna clean them with the microfiber towel. Take all the coating from the headlight. You can see all the yellowing from the headlight. Now it started looking a lot better than before, but this is not done. I'm gonna clean them really well. Your microfiber towel has to be a little wet, so you can remove everything easy. So cleaning, okay, I already finished cleaning the headlights. You can see right there, they look really good. I like it. So that one too. Okay guys, second pass is on. So let's clean it now. Let's see how they look. What you think? In my opinion, they look really good. So now I'm gonna let them dry completely, and then I'm gonna start putting the clear coat. But 2 passes and they look really good. You can tell right there. Okay guys, so they're clean and dry. Let's shake our clear coat really well before you start applying it, and they're gonna look really good. I already know. So let's start with the first coat. Wow, you see the difference now? Now let's do the other one. We're gonna wait 3 to 5 minutes, let them dry, apply the second coat, and they should be ready to go. But you can tell the difference now, before and after. Wow, amazing. So this is gonna be the test. Let's see if they really last a whole year with this application. I think they're gonna do, but any updates I'm gonna let you know. And but for the meantime, you can tell these things look amazing. You can see right there. So let's wait and do the second coat, and when I get done with this job. Okay guys, after 5 minutes, we'll wait enough time. We're gonna start applying the second coat. There you have it. I'm just gonna wait and remove the tape, and this one is done. How easy is that, guys? Okay guys, so this job is done. Let me know what you think about the application of the Meguiar, and if you have any questions, please comment down below. This one is 1 year treatment. I didn't tell you exactly the whole process, but just read your instructions. Make sure that you follow the instructions. Preparation is key. You have to make sure that you put plastic bags or tape all the way around so you don't mess with your paint. And if you feel like you need more than 2 times with the cleaning solution, you can apply the third one, and then after that just put the clear coat. So there you have it. These ones are done. Obviously it's gonna take you like probably 5 minutes to the touch, but 24 hours to cure. So there you have it guys. I hope you like this episode. Please, if you have any questions, suggestions, please comment down below. And that's it for this one guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.